The night whispered in navy shadows inside Nora's apartment, wrapping her in a gentle embrace. A single lamp illuminated a book on her armchair, her sanctuary, curated with quiet intention. Each object held a memory, a piece of the life she was slowly reassembling. The silence, once a void, now felt like possibility, a canvas for new colors and courage. Nora, wrapped in a soft sweater, traced the rim of her mug, her posture relaxed, her resolve quietly growing. Healing, she realized, wasn't a race but a slow dance with vulnerability, showing up for herself even in the quietest moments. The navy shadows didn't hide her, they held her, giving her space to gather strength and listen to her heart. Here, she learned to sit with discomfort, offer herself compassion, and discover that healing often begins with a quiet internal shift. Tonight, hope flickered in the dim light, a gentle turning toward what comes next. Hope arrived quietly, seeping into Nora's days as a gentle invitation to look forward. Tonight, she reached for her laptop, the glow lighting a hopeful smile. She was done waiting for permission. The power to begin again was hers all along. Typing cooking classes into the search bar, her heart fluttered with anticipation. The results were a mosaic of culinary adventures: French pastries, Italian pastas, Thai curries. For Nora, this was about being a beginner again, embracing uncertainty, and choosing courage. She felt drawn to an artisanal bread-making class, a decision that settled in her soul. With a single click, she registered, making a quiet promise to seek joy and connection. The confirmation email arrived, a small beacon of light. A new beginning didn't need a grand gesture. Sometimes it's as simple and powerful as a single courageous click. Nora smiled, ready to step out of her comfort zone and into something new. The evening of the class arrived, autumn's breeze carrying Nora forward. She dressed for herself, a plum sweater, comfortable jeans, and walked the city streets with purpose. The world felt like opportunity, not intimidation. The cooking school, tucked on a side street, welcomed her with warmth and delicious scents. Burgundy pendant lamps cast a cozy glow over stainless steel workstations and bowls of flour and herbs. Nora found her place at a worn wooden counter, inhaling the aromas of yeast and cinnamon. She wasn't here to be the best, just present, open, and connected. The instructor's kind eyes and flour-dusted apron set a tone of encouragement and collaboration. Nora's apprehension melted into gentle excitement. This kitchen, bathed in burgundy light, felt sacred, a space to be vulnerable, to try, to belong. She was exactly where she needed to be. The class began, a quiet energy settling over the room. True connection happened in gestures and glances, not words. A woman's encouraging smile met Nora's clumsy kneading, a simple moment of shared humanity. Laughter rippled when flour dusted a neighbor's nose, weaving a sense of community. Support was silent, a nudge of a water bowl, a gentle nod. The burgundy light softened everyone's edges, making vulnerability easier. Nora realized she was part of a temporary tribe, united by creation and kindness. No grand conversations, just authentic moments of being seen. Healing, she learned, could be found in the briefest, most gentle interactions. The safety net of shared smiles and quiet help was powerful. In this kitchen, Nora felt the strength of community. There's therapy in working with your hands, transforming raw ingredients into something nourishing. For Nora, kneading bread mirrored her own healing. The dough, at first sticky and chaotic, reflected tangled emotions. With each push and fold, a rhythm emerged, grounding her in the present. Strength and gentleness balanced in her hands, just as in her life. The dough transformed, smooth, elastic, alive, a small miracle of change. Nora felt her own fragments coming together, not into perfection but wholeness. The process nurtured her spirit, affirming her power to create beauty from raw experience. Healing wasn't about erasing pain, but integrating it, using it for growth. Covered in flour, Nora smiled. Healing was an active, creative act of becoming whole. The final stage felt like magic. Nora placed her dough on a baking sheet, her movements confident. The class moved with reverence, trusting the ovens to transform their efforts. As bread baked, a warm, comforting aroma filled the kitchen. They gathered, faces glowing with anticipation and pride. When the timer buzzed, the loaves emerged, golden, unique, perfect in their own way. Nora's loaf was more than bread. It was a symbol of resilience and new beginnings. Holding it, she felt uncomplicated joy and a sense of accomplishment. The experience had nurtured her, connecting her to herself and her community. With warmth, patience, and courage, even the simplest elements could become something wonderful. Nora stepped into the cool night, city lights twinkling around her. She held her warm loaf close, an anchor to her joy and accomplishment. The walk home felt different, streets alive with gentle energy. The navy shadows were now a backdrop for her inner light. Her confidence was quiet, steady, a knowledge that she was whole. The class had been a catalyst, reminding her of her agency and power to seek nourishment. She was fuller, brighter, more connected to herself and the world. Healing, she realized, was a way of moving through life, found in small, courageous choices. As she returned to her apartment, she brought with her new skills, memories, and strength. Tonight, she had taken a beautiful step forward, guided by her own gentle courage. We all have our own quiet, navy-shadowed rooms and moments of uncertainty. My journey is a reminder. The first step toward light begins with a quiet decision to seek it. Healing isn't linear or loud. It's found in small acts, in new beginnings, in gentle courage. Your journey is uniquely yours, just as valid and beautiful. Whether it's a cooking class, a paintbrush, or a walk in the park, what matters is the intention to connect and grow. Give yourself permission to be a beginner, to explore, to share your story. Your light is needed. Share it with us.